Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step simplification of this math problem by using the Bode-Maas rule. Bode-Maas rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, then curly bracket, then square bracket O. Stand for order, we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponent. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. According to this Bode-Maas sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. First step, we identify the solve division part first. So now according to the first step, we solve division. Identify and solve the division part first. Now 4 divided by 0.5 and according we'll get 8. According to this step, Bode-Maas says division takes the priority over the multiplication and subtraction. So now the current expression becomes 2.5 multiplied by 8 minus 3. Move to next step, multiplication. Identify and solve the multiplication part, which is 2.5 and multiplied by 8. Accordingly, we get 20. According to this step, multiplication M takes the priority over the subtraction S. And now the current expression becomes 20 minus 3. Move to next step, subtraction. Solve the finally, subtract the value. Subtraction, which is the last remaining operation in the expression. And 20 minus 3 will get 17, which is the final result. So now, according to this expression, the conclusion is by strictly following the Bode-Maas rule hierarchy, performing division first, followed by multiplication and concluding with the subtraction. So the final simplified value of this mathematical expression is 17, and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.